Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to tell you the 3 reasons why I love this JOREST precision screwdriver kit. Reason number 1 is it comes in a case that can lock, so everything is where it needs to be when I need it. Second thing is I love that these are labeled. So when I need a T8, a T7, I simply just take it out, put it in the screwdriver holder. You simply just let it go in there. Now the third thing I love about it is this is magnetic. So if I got a little screw that needs to hold on there with magnetism, it will hold on there. This spins. So when I push down, I can turn this, I can really push down and that's going to spin. So I just love that it comes with all these extra little bits labeled. They're easy to get in and out. They're easy to take on and off. We also get a couple scraper tools, pry bars. These are plastic. These are good for like opening up an iPhone or something. We get a brush. These are pretty nice tweezers too. They're metal. A suction cup if you need to take like a screen off. This is for a SIM card right there. And like another little thing, pry bar that's a little bit thicker. And again, it all fits in this case. The screwdriver fits up here. Like that. These go here. A brush. Got this suction cup, which can be tricky to get off the table. And the pick. But again, I can put this in the drawer and I know that everything is going to be there when I need it. All right. That's what I love about it. When I need the precision screwdriver kit, I'm just going to grab it and I'm ready to go. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.